Okay. Let's go. All right. So we continue with our Kitzur. And we are still on the laws of Tefillin. It's Siman 10 and Sif number 5. So let's see. It says Shel Yad is put before Shel Rosh in all instances. Okay. Even if it's happened that when he's taken out the Tefillin to put it on, right? He removes the Shel Rosh from the pouch before Shel Yad. That's what actually the question that you asked some time ago, right? So we're supposed to know, like even with closed eyes, from which side is Shel Rosh and from which is Shel Yad. Okay. Okay. So he put a so he was one more time. Remove Shel Rosh from the pouch before Shel Yad. So meaning Shel Rosh, the one from the head before the one from the head. He must bypass the mitzvah of the Shel Rosh and put the Shel Rosh that he was holding, cover it with something, as you said last time, right? Not last time, like few classes ago. That's what you use a question. So they cover. If you don't have cover, like put it back in a pouch, I guess, right? And put on Shel Yad first. Okay. Since the order of the putting of Shel Yad before Shel Rosh is of Torah origin, as it says in Dvarim 6:8, regarding the mitzvah of Tefillin, bind them as a sign upon your arm, referring to Shel Yad, meaning on the arm, and then let them be Tefillin between your eyes, referring to Shel Rosh. Therefore, we do not take into account the issue of bypassing mitzvah in this case. So basically, as we said, I mean, you already asked this question, so we already discussed it, but that's a straightforward. So, and usually we don't bypass the mitzvah. So if mitzvah come to your hand, so you can bypass it, put it aside, and do another mitzvah, unless the time for another mitzvah expired. So you're not obligated to, you're not allowed even to stop. And here you took the the head filling, you put it down, covered, put it back in the pouch, whatever you do, and you're doing a correct order. Okay.